With regards to your second question, you are asking about the lottery. Lottery is haram in Islam. It's a part of gambling. It is mentioned in Surah Al-Ma'idah. And also, my brothers and sisters, you are also asking about the insurance. I have a different opinion with regards to the insurance. Some scholars, they say all insurance are haram, and some people are saying only those insurance are permissible which are, compulsory by the law of the country. Again, with the same thing, I have different opinion. I say that there is no harm in having insurance. I also have an issue with the mortgage. I say that mortgage is also, generally speaking, I don't have mortgage. I need the house, and I'm living in a rent house for more than 15 years in this country, and I don't have enough savings or deposit to buy the house or to go for the mortgage. But general understanding, mortgage, whether it is conventional bank or Islamic bank, mortgage, the scholars have given the permission that mortgage is halal, and especially with the Islamic bank, they say it is halal, and they say you can have it. So I go by that opinion of the scholars, because I don't want to contradict myself with the majority of the scholars.